Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to rebet on 22bet in 2025. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar type in 22bet.com. Once you type it in, you'll get to this page. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you can go to any sports that you want to bet. Then click on the match. After that, select your odds. Once you have selected your odd, enter your stake on the right hand side. Then click on place a bet. Before placing a bet, rethink it because you still have a chance to change your bet. If you don't want to bet on this, all you have to do is click on this cross icon. Then you can still choose another bet, but once you have clicked on this button where it says place a bet, you won't be able to change it, but there is still a hope. What you can do is click on this message icon, then contact 22bet member and ask them to change your bet. In this way you can rebet. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.